Dude, so I've been using Claude to help me make these videos, and one of the scripts it wrote me had this line.
That's not coding, that's the outfit coding wears to look scary.
And that's what everybody's scared is gonna take their job? Look, I'm a software engineer, and I get asked this constantly. When is AI actually going to replace us? Here's my answer. Number one, AI will definitely replace some jobs. This reminds me of when the Industrial Revolution got started, or when the first computer came out. This is just a new age of computers. And for every new age, there's always going to be some kind of interruption. AI is just really good at repeatable, consistent things. If it's been done before, and it's gonna be the same output, then generally speaking, it's gonna be pretty good at that. The flip side of that is basically anything that relates to working with people. People are the most volatile subject in the world. If you want to retain your executive assistant position, then you gotta find ways to set yourself apart by being good with people. Or with software engineering, your skill is no longer in coding. It's in communicating and working with others and coming up with ideas to further your product along. And right now is the best time to set yourself apart because AI is gonna make a lot of people really lazy. And the majority of people are gonna be relying on AI to do some of the work that AI just shouldn't. Let me give you a meta example. I've been trying to start this YouTube channel utilizing Claude to sort of be my production assistant. And granted, there are some things that AI does really well. One of the things I hate AI for is writing scripts. There's just something, I can't even describe it. I don't even want to give you an example. It's so cringe. Hold on, I'm gonna take a look, hold on. Okay, so here are some friggin' examples of what was in my script, okay? And please let me know if I sound like this in the future. But here are some lines. A mistake punishes you right away. A trap waits. The edge of the triangle always charges admission. You only see the highlight reel. The triangle is important and it's load bearing. That's not coding. That's the outfit coding wears to look scary. I think I actually said this, a couple of these. I'm cringing just reading this. But you get what I'm saying. I think it just doesn't sound genuine. And so for some people, you might feel like, oh my gosh, AI is coming after my jobs. But the way I look at it is this is great because all the idiots are gonna leverage AI to do all their script writing and they're all gonna sound hella stupid. But this gives regular people the opportunity to just say whatever we want. And it's almost like the mistakes are what people want now. The genuine discussion with unfiltered thoughts and bad English and bad grammar and all that, which I'm perfect for. So anyway, whatever job that you're doing right now, there's no single role that's gonna get replaced by AI. We're not in Skynet days from the Terminator. Not yet anyway, I don't know. Take a step back, get off your phone, and really work with the people that you're working with because that's what's gonna keep you irreplaceable.